Hello dear children, welcome back to the class. In the previous class, we have finished a revision part 6. Hope so you all completed well. And today we are going to do a revision part 7. So in this revision, we are going to find out the ascending order. So choose the right ascending order. So you all know what is the ascending order, children? Arrangement of numbers from smaller to greater. From small number to great number, we have to arrange the in order. So that we call a ascending order. Arrangement of numbers from smaller to greater is called ascending order. So let's find out the answer. So in the previous class also, I told you to do a rough work side and you will get the right answer. So the first number is 20, 60, 40, 10, 70. So these numbers only will be the down options. So what you have to do is you have to arrange it side in the ascending order properly. So let's arrange it properly. So which is the small number, children, here in this number? Just you see the first line, enough. So 10 is the small one. So I told you to how to do ascending order. Cancel it and go through the next one. So after that, which is the small number? 20. So cancel it, go to 20. The next one, 60, 40, 70. Which is the small one? 40. So write here 40. And remaining number 60 and 70. So which is the small one? 60. So write here 60. And the remaining number is 70. So let's write here 70. So the right answer is 10, 20, 40, 60, 70. So this answer we have to search in this option. So which is that right option, children? 10, 20, 40, 60, 70. That means third is the right option. So third is the right option. So in the mathematics subject, you have to solve the each problem and you have to find out the answer. In other subject, you can by heart the spellings, but in the mathematics, you can't read, you can't by heart anything. The practice only makes you perfect. Okay, so let's go for the second question. In the second question, the numbers are 18, 24, 32, 50, 75. Again, we have to arrange these numbers from smaller to greater. So let's take only first line and we'll arrange the numbers in a side as a rough work. Okay. So which is the small one, children, here? Yes, 18 is the small one. So let's cancel and write a 18. 18. The next one, 24, 32, 50, 75. So in this, which is the small one? Yes, 24 is the small one. Let's write here 24. The next is 32, 50, 75. So in this three number, which is the small one? 32 is the small one. So let's write here 32. And next is 50, 75. So which is the small one? 50. So let's write 50. And the remaining number is 75. That means our first option only is the right answer. So no need to look into the down option. So you should be very careful while doing the sums. So it may be up and down to make you confused, but you should not get confused. So the first option is our right answer, that is 18, 24, 32, 50, 75. Okay. So now let's go for the third question, that is 13, 18, 20, 15, 30. So let's check the first line itself. Okay. So which is the small one, children, here? 13, 18, 20, 15, 30. Yes, 13 is the smaller one. So let's write here 13. The next is 18, 20, 15, 30. 15. The next one is 15. Right here 15. The next is 18, 20, 30. The next is 18. So let's write here 18. The next is 20 and 30. 20 and 30. Which is the right answer here? Smaller one, 20. So let's write here 20. And the remaining number is 30. That means our answer is 13, 15, 18, 20, 30. So let's search in this line. Remaining numbers 13, 15, 18, 20, 30. That means the second option is our right answer. So here we have completed our ascending order. Dear children, there is a small correction. Kindly excuse. So the second answer we got a right one, that is 13, 15, 18, 20, 30. But the second and fourth I have given the same options. So just to make it a recorrection, the fourth option is 13, 20, 15, 18, 30. But we got the right answer, that is 13, 15, 18, 20, 30. That means we got the second option is the right one. Just to make it the correction, the fourth one options you write it again. Let's go for the fourth question, that is choose the right descending order. So just now we have finished the ascending order. Now we have to do a descending order. So what is descending order, children? Yes, arrangement of numbers from greater to smaller. From greater to smaller is called a descending order. So here we have searched a first greater number, that is big number. So greater to smaller we have to arrange. Okay. So let's find out the answer. The first number is 30, 40, 10, 60, 50. Let's take the first number itself. Okay. So in this number, in this line, which is the great number, children? 30, 40, 10, 60, 50. Yes, 60 is the great number. Cross out and write here 60. The next second number, which is the great number? 50. Cross it and write here 50. The next one is 40. Yes, write here 40. And the next is remaining 30, 10. Yes, 30. That means 30 we should write here. And the remaining last number is 10. That means our answer is 60, 50, 40, 30, 10. So where is this answer? 60, 40, no, it's not right answers. 30, 60, no. 60, 50, 40, 30, 10. That means fourth option is our right answer. Okay. So let's go for the fifth question. That is numbers are 9, 5, 7, 3, 2. Okay. Let's take the first line and let's arrange a descending order. Descending order means from greater to smaller we have to arrange. So which is the great number here? 9 is the greatest number. So let's write here 9. 5, 7, 3, 2. Which is the great one? Second one? 7. So let's write here 7. And the remaining number? 5, 3, 2. 5 is the greatest number. Yes. The remaining 3 and 2. Let's write 3 here. And the last number is 2. So we got the answer 97532. So where is 97532? Yes, 97532 is the right answer. That is option 4th is our right answer. The next one, 37, 57, 27, 47, 97. So let's arrange the descending order. So which is the great number here, children? Yes, 97 is the great number. So let's write here 97. 37, 57, 27, 47. So which is the greatest number here? 57. So let's write here 57. 37, 27, 47. 7. So in this remaining number, which is the greater one? Yes, 47 is the greater number. So let's write here 47. Okay. So remaining 37 and 27. So in this 37 is the greatest number. So let's write here 37. And the last number is 27. So we got the answer, that is 97, 57, 47, 37, 27. So let's search this answer in these options. Okay. 97, 57, 37. No. 97, 57, 47, 37, 27. That means the second option is our right answer. So while writing also, you need to be you have to do a rough work and you have to practice and find out the answer. So in the mathematics, practice is very important. Okay children, so the homework is you have to write the revision part 7 one time in your classwork book neatly, and you have to find out the answer. You have to practice the sums. Okay, see you in the next class. Take care children. Bye.